So just taking a quick look at Solana then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. Before we begin, make sure you go down below and get some free money in the description. Loads of signups where you can get some free bonuses if you sign up via our links, so make sure to do that. As we can see here then, according to my previous videos, we didn't break above this daily fair value gap for Solana, and as you can see with Bitcoin having a retrace and leading the market back down yesterday, as you can see here, Bitcoin basically having, in my opinion, a manipulated, coordinated drop to the downside to liquidate a ton of people out of their longs before probably coming up and going up to the upside for another long. Another continuation to the upside, I should say. You can see Bitcoin here breaking out of this range here and looking like it's probably, in my opinion, going to come back up and see what it can do, retest into this fair value gap it's made here. You can see Solana obviously came down, rejected from that fair value gap that I told you about. We didn't close above it and we did get rejected from it, pretty much as I predicted in my previous videos. Obviously Bitcoin looking like it's doing its best to chop the altcoin space up right now, but Solana overall, as you can see when you zoom out, in terms of the macro, just looking like it's marching onwards back towards the all-time high at $300-ish. And you can see it's only a matter of time now, provided that Bitcoin doesn't absolutely decimate the market with a huge drop, that we're probably just going to see Solana continue up to this previous all-time high of $260 and then a new all-time high pretty soon, provided that Bitcoin can just continue to at least not have a huge bearish move to the downside like this. Bitcoin for the most part really just messing around a lot in these areas here. We've come up and swept the all-time high, looking like we got a big manipulation to the downside, but it's pretty neutral right now in terms of if we're going to bounce and continue or get a retrace maybe down to this 50% level. Back down into this area here would be a good area for a bounce and then a continuation for Bitcoin. But obviously every time Bitcoin drops, it chops the altcoin market up. Solana's stronger than most though, and I have no complaints with its price action, looking like it's just continually indomitably moving to the upside here. And I think we're probably, in my opinion, going to see continuation to the upside for all of our altcoins, provided that Bitcoin doesn't have a big drop. Altcoins in general looking a little bit weak, in my opinion, though. You can see really struggling across the market here. Apart from our top three, Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana, the vast majority of altcoins looking absolutely flat, to be honest. We need to be seeing a bit more volume coming in soon, otherwise we could be looking at more downside for everyone in general, despite the fact that Bitcoin and the altcoin basket are at all-time highs. So as always guys, thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.